Hello and welcome to another Quattro Tech Cars video. Today we have this 18 Reg VW Move Up. It looks really great in the deep black pearl effect paint. You've got the 15-inch Move Up alloys as well. This particular car is powered by the 3-cylinder 1-litre petrol engine, which puts out 60 PS. So they're really nippy for their size and is driven by a 5-speed manual gearbox. A perfect first car or a small town car or just a second car. These come really well equipped to standard as well with the infotainment systems. You've got LED running lights at the front there as well, and it's had just one registered keeper from new. Let's have a look at more of the detail inside. Okay, so here we are around the back of the Up. Now, the really interesting things about these cars is that although the boot may look fairly small at the moment, you can actually almost double its depth by lowering the boot floor down just like that. So you have a much deeper well, and underneath the boot floor there, you've even got a full-size spare wheel. You've got two ISOFIX anchoring points on the seats as well. So really practical size for the small footprint of the car. The VWs are really nice also because the tailgate is made of glass, so it's got that really classy look just there. This, of course, being the 3-door model, you've got longer front doors, you've got electric windows in the front. We've got the nice contrast of that sort of ceramic coloured interior with the black upholstery. Seats in really nice condition, no rips, tears, stains or any odours. If we step into the driver's seat, we've got the light adjustment there, so they're halogen headlights, but you have got the LED running lights, and you've also got a fog light there as well. We've got a really nice, simple, easy to understand cockpit, so more of a retro styled dial system in the front here. You can get numerous bits of information from the trip computer as well. And coming over to the main screen, we've got the air conditioning and the climate control up the top here, and then we've got the infotainment system just down here. So that's volume and on and off is controlled that side. You've got an SD slot and an aux slot as well for media. You've also got the various different settings along here, so you can also connect the phone wirelessly via the Bluetooth for telephone and also for playing your favorite music as well. We've got various different shortcuts to the radio, so we've got DAB, FM and AM radio as well, so it's actually really high quality. You can listen to all of the stations on air in that manner. And you've got quite a clever button system just down here, so you've got various different options which change depending on which menu you're in. And we can show you the media sources as well, so we've got SD, USB. The USB port is actually up the top here because you can get a phone holder for that. There is an app called Maps and More, which you may well be able to have activated from a dealer, which gives you a bit more flexibility with the phone. And moving further down, we've got some storage space, including a cup holder, a 12-volt power socket for charging ancillaries, and your tyre pressure monitoring just there. So if you may have picked up a nail or something like that and you've got a slow puncture, then this symbol will come up on the dash and you can reset that once you've double checked the pressures with that button there. We've got the 5-speed manual gearbox and traditional handbrake. So these cars are all about simplicity, however they've got a really high quality feel. We've got that nice sort of, it's almost a faux carbon effect inlaid just there. They're really solid and well built, these things, very economical to run from an efficiency point of view, but also from a parts cost and things like that. All Quattro Tech cars come with 6-month warranty, including 6 months roadside assistance, an MOT upon arrival, and a comprehensive mechanical check. Please don't hesitate to get in touch with us so we can explain how we're currently facilitating test drives and appointments. Thank you very much. Hello and welcome to another Quattro Tech Cars video. Today we have this 18 Reg VW Move Up. It's powered by the 60 PS 1-litre 3-cylinder petrol engine and is driven by a 5-speed gearbox. These Up looks fantastic. You've got that full glass tailgate just there. You've also got the 15-inch alloys as well. It's had just one previous registered keeper from new and it's got really low mileage as well. We've got those cool LED daytime running lights at the front as well. Let's have a look at more of the detail inside. Okay, so here we are around at the boot of the Up. As you can see, we've got a nice clean load area. These are surprisingly practical cars for their relatively small size. The boot itself can be at 2 levels. It's at the lower one now, and underneath that you've got a spare wheel in the well just there. And you can bring the boot up to about this level just here, so it's a bit more flush and in line with the entry exit. You've got 2 ISOFIX anchoring points as well for kid seats. And then we've got a really nice contrast with that glass tailgate and the white of the rest of the car. Coming around to the front door, we've got a part ceramic coloured interior, which adds a real nice airiness to the cabin. And then we've got the grey and black cloth seats, which are in nice condition, no rips, tears, stains or any odours. And then it's the same in the back as well. If we come around into the driver's seat and just look across the dash, we've got this really nice, almost a faux carbon effect on the inlays just there. And we've got the light adjustment with the LED running lights and the fog light there. We've got a very simple steering wheel, as you can see, in good condition. And then we've got a more classic kind of retro dial feel just there with all the information. So you've got speed, fuel levels, revs as well. And then you can get a fair amount of information from the little screen at the bottom there, including temperature, time, and any messages. The steering column is also adjustable as well, both up and down and forward and backwards. We've got the main dash over here with the air conditioning and the climate control at the top. And then we've all got the infotainment down the bottom just here. This is a really nice upgrade to the older Ups. It's got much more functionality. It looks great in terms of the little TFT screen there as well. We've got various different options and settings in the menu, from radio to media and telephone. So it's all Bluetooth. You can connect your phone wirelessly to make and receive calls. You can also connect it wirelessly to listen to your favorite music, as well as having both an aux slot and an SD slot as well, if you want to put music on there. We've got DAB, FM and AM radio as well, so you can listen to your favorite stations at the highest quality. And then we've got this really nice intuitive little button system at the bottom. So these buttons are multi-function and they'll just correspond to the little symbols on the dash just there, so they will change depending on what menu you're in. We've got a volume and mute button just there, and then we've got the selector as well also. So really easy to use and good functionality. We've got good storage down there with a cup holder, and then we've got the tyre pressure monitoring and a 12-volt power socket for charging ancillaries, for the 5-speed gearbox, and then we've got traditional handbrake as well. These Ups are all about simplicity. They're really well made, feel really solid, very economical. And just up here in a little secret compartment, you've also got a USB slot just there for charging any ancillaries as well. And that just clips on there like that to cover it up neatly. So you see it's in really nice condition. All Quattrotech cars come with 6-month warranty, including 6 months roadside assistance, an MOT upon arrival, and a comprehensive mechanical check. Please don't hesitate to get in touch with us so we can explain how we're currently facilitating test drives and appointments. Thank you very much.